Just a very quick video today about installing the glued-on side carpets in the front seats. These are the factory original clips that I've ordered in. The part number is in the title of the video. They're $1 or $2 each if you're keen on using them. I came up with a method to install them because if you don't do it this way and just try and bash them in, you will deform them and they will not go in. The clips are actually hollow, so I assume MB had some kind of special tool with a protrusion at the end that basically reinforced the clip as it was bashed into its hole. No doubt it was some pneumatic tool or something like that. But this works. I just used an Allen key of the same size as the hole until it bottomed out to reinforce it, and then bashed the clip in while holding the Allen key with these cheap-ass pliers. I'm not overly concerned about damaging them, hence why this works perfectly. They're now locked in, not deformed, and that carpet is stuck on as well. So what I did was actually use the contact adhesive first, install the clips, and then rest the carpet down on the glue once I knew it was in its home position. The rear ones here I did not bother gluing down. I'm not sure if they're even going to stay there, because this car didn't have the Sportline interior before, and it will now. I've got to install those little buckets on the individual rear seats, as you can see on the floor there. That does require drilling some holes into the metalwork. I'll do that tomorrow. And once again, this is the part number if you did not see it in the title. Allegedly there were 16 on this car, but the floor carpet is ripped around most of those factory holes, so I'm not overly concerned. The seats will lock it down as well as the side railings anyway, so it'll be fine.